Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Motion 5 for title animations for Final Cut step by step clearly. Open Motion 5 on your computer. Create a new project by selecting New Project from the File menu. Set the project settings to match your Final Cut Pro project. Choose the appropriate resolution and frame rate for your title animations. Click Open. Select the title category from the library. Drag and drop a text layer into your project timeline. Double-click the text layer to edit its content. Type your desired title text in the text box. Adjust the font, size, and color using the inspector on the right. Position your text using the on-screen controls. To animate your title, open the Behaviors tab from the library. Browse the available behaviors and choose one that suits your animation needs. Drag the behavior onto your text layer in the timeline. Adjust the parameters of the behavior in the inspector for fine-tuning. Preview your animation by pressing the spacebar. If satisfied, go to File and select Publish. In the Publish dialog, ensure title is checked. Click Publish to save your title animation. Open Final Cut Pro on your computer. Locate your new title in the Titles browser. Drag and drop it onto your timeline. Position the title where you want it to appear in your video. Adjust any timing or effects directly in Final Cut Pro. You're now ready to render and export your video with your animated title. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.